Alright, now we're gonna animate our route just to make it more appealing. All we have to do is just import ng-animate as a script right below. And this one's using CDN, and feel free to download if you want to, but I think CDN is pretty efficient and quick. And this one has to be injected in our dependency array ng-animate, and we're going to animate our views, so we need to put some classes. First, apply ID, I'm going to call it view, and ng class for Angular. And in here you can actually assign a variable, so this one's going to be declaring controller, so the controller is representing by ctrl, and the variable will be called transition. And let's simply declare that in our controller right here. So when we're changing our routes, we're going to apply a class. It's going to be called scale. Perfect, but this class hasn't been declared anywhere, so we need to build our style sheet first. I'm going to use terminal for this. Touch, I'm going to call it style.css. Now I'm going to copy this CSS and simply put it inside here. Quick explanation what we're doing here. ng-animate is using classes for animation, different phases as the ng-enter, ng-active, and ng-live. And what we're doing here, we're applying some transition, transform, is CSS free. I'm not going to explain what it does. Feel free to go outside this course and remind yourself what CSS free does. Right, but what is important here is those classes, which are key classes for ng animation. Right, let's go back to index and actually make that link for this CSS class. Right, so this I'm going to be in our style sheet. Style. Perfect. Right, I think we're ready to test our application. Let's save it, everything. Right, refresh the page, and fair enough, we got a really nice animation. At this point, it works for every single route, but in the next exercise, I'm going to limit that only to create a user link and login link. So still stay tuned, we're gonna make that happen. Thank you very much.